Hi, Miss Janet here from the Stova Library, and I have a Chinese New Year craft for you to do today. You can see one of them sitting here to make a beautiful lantern. So all you need is some paper to start with and some tape. So I've made mine out of red because the colors are red and gold. I didn't have gold, so inside I've used yellow. So I have red and yellow paper. So whatever color you're going to put on the inside, you're just going to make that paper into a tube. So just roll it into a circle and tape it. I just use tape or glue. You can use tape or glue. Make that into a tube. So you're just going to tape it, make sure it's straight. And then you're going to take your red paper and you're going to fold it in half the long ways. And I have marked my lines on mine just to make it easier for me. So you don't want to cut all the way up. So I've put a 2 centimeter line right across there. And then I've made the lines 2 centimeters apart all the way across, and that is what I'm going to cut. So you're just going to cut on each line all the way up to the solid line you made 2 centimeters down from the edge, and that will make the beautiful cuts you can see. So you're going to do that all the way across. And when you're finished, again, you will make a tube. And this tube goes outside of the yellow one or gold one. And there you have your lantern. You can choose to set your lantern on your table, which is what I've done. And I just happen to have a little battery operated votive. So I've got that turned on. And I can just set it on my table and have a little light. Or if you choose and would like to hang your lantern, then you would just cut a strip, probably about 2 centimeters wide, and attach your strip so that you can hang up your lantern. So whatever you choose, if you're going to set it on your table or hang it up, you just add a little loop so that you can hang it up. The other idea for you today is to make a fan. So again, thinking of the colors, we would choose probably red or yellow or gold. So I had some red paper and I've added some gold trim to it. So you could do that if you have it, and I have this beautiful fan. So you're just going to take your paper, and I should show you this one. I used 2 different colors. 2 pieces of paper, just folded them in an accordion style fold, and then I've attached them after folding them in half. I've attached them with some glue so that it can be even a bigger fan. So you might want to do 2 colors, or you might want to do 1 color and add some beautiful trim. The only thing you're going to do is get your piece of paper or papers, whichever you're doing, 1 or 2. Get your piece of paper and you're going to accordion fold it. So just make a nice little width, fold it all the way across, and then turn it over and do that the opposite way. And we're just going to keep on going back and forth all the way along your piece of paper. I'm just doing mine quickly, but you'll want to do yours nice and neatly. Do it all the way across. And once you get to the other side, so there's mine all folded up, you're going to fold it in half this way, and then you're just going to take the inside edges and glue them together you have your fan. After you've glued it and let it dry, then you have a fan to use. Awesome. So you might want to use 2 different colors of pieces of paper, and then you're just going to glue the edges together on the inside, or with your one piece you might add some beautiful gold trim. Just remember, when you're adding the trim, you're going to add it to the shorter ends, not this long piece, but at each end you're going to add some of your trim, so that when you fold it up, you have it there on the edge of your fan. So happy crafting. I hope you make a lantern and a fan, and have an awesome day. Happy Chinese New Year.